Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Okay, so I'm gonna turn up the road again because I'm done with Scotiabank for now. So I will have to make a U-turn. So what I do, I don't go too close to the wall. I come over a little bit as much as I can without. Then back on our way. So we're past here so already. This is where I turned around. This time I'm going straight ahead. You have Hillman Avenue on your right, Electrical Depot on your left, Super Value Town Center on your right. And if you're going to the tax office, Jamaica tax office, you would take that left turn. That's the Jamaica tax office there, that blue and white building on your left. No, that's the St. Andrew tax office. I have a video of that. I have a church there on your right. I'm not seeing any sign. And you have the Kingston Spring Post Office on your left. We are passing that right now. On your right is where you go to Immaculate and to the golf club entrance. All these people are driving like I don't know what to say. So we're still on Kingston Spring Road. That left turn where you see those vehicles coming out of is Cassava Peace Road, and that's Kingston Spring Police Station on your left. On your left in Manor Center, that next left turn, which is where you would turn to go to Kemlani Mart. And there's some supermarkets over there and a lot of other places. That will have to be a little tour by itself. You have Discounts Pharmacy on your right. I'm going to go in the right lane. So this person give a pass. is on your right here. So I'm not gonna go in there today. I just want to do like a drive around to show you, because I want to show you how you reach the cherry gardens from here. I'm just doing like a drive around. That left turn takes you to some of the communities up that side. Takes you to Stony Hill. Take the right and you go down to Norbrook. The left, that's Norbrook Drive. That's where the money people them live. So I'm going to go into Manor Park Plaza. I'm just doing a drive through so you can see it and not coming out of the vehicle. Whoa, it's packed up. What happened here? They have a select grocers on your left. Let me Payless down here, and a Digicel, and an Island Grill, and a First Caribbean Bank, and a Child's Play, and a Domino's, Sugar and Spice. Boy, if it wasn't for Lent, I would have stopped and bought a patty, but we pack up today. And you have a Butcher Block Gourmet Store. You have a True Value, Rapid True Value hardware store in here. It's not normally this packed up, you know. Taxi man, when they must drive fast, they won't drive fast, you know. So there used to be an ATM down here. I'm not sure if it's still here. Not seeing it. They have this Total gas station here. So you can drive from here. You can go back out on the road, but I want to show you the next plaza down here. Manor Park Pharmacy down here. You have a Burger King down here. You have a KFC down here. You have a I like this pharmacy. Sometimes you can't get certain things. They come up here, you always get them. There's a Cannonball Cafe. That is where I had my first slice of pecan pie. It was worth it. Simplicity stores here. The Manor collections are here just in place and stuff. Manor Medical, Mail Pack is here. There's a really nice, this is maybe my favorite Hilo supermarket. Safe Solutions, KFC, Blue Along. I'm trying to see. So on the other side you have like Burger King and you have Subway. So that was just a quick drive through. It sort of let me feel sad to pass the salon because that's where I used to go. You have a dry cleaners here, but the girl that did my nails, she passed away during the pandemic within 4 days of getting sick. I was so heartbroken. I've never done my nails again. I used to have the most beautiful and well done nails. I'll show you guys some pictures. My eyes full of water now I'm talking. That girl, she did my nails. Everywhere she went to work, I followed her. Discount Pharmacy on your left. On your left here is where you have Ernst & Young Chartered Accountants. And you have the parking lot on your left here. So on your right is where you have the golf club up here, Constant Spring Golf Club. This road already in the opposite direction when it was raining, so it's a good opportunity to do it again. On your right you have Norwood Acres Drive. UPTOWN houses on the left. You have a plant store on your left. Oh, I've never. Whenever it's a place like this, the guys used to sell plants on this road on your right. I'm wondering if it's them open up that place. So always get plants on your right. If you take this road, go straight down, you will go back to Shortwood Road and to Constant Spring Road. I'm taking the left because I want to show you how to reach the Cherry Gardens. Harmony Close on your right. You have Shortwood Teachers College on your left. Just pass it. Avenue on your right. I'm calling out the words because I don't want to spend a lot of time putting in road names on this video. I need to start posting my videos quicker. It's nice and green and beautiful up here. Let me drive a little slow. If you look in the background you can see the beautiful mountains. Wow. This is where you have the mansions, some of the mansions them. Jamaica. One day we have to do a little drive through of the communities. I'm just taking the road through the community. So I'm going to take Cherry Garden Drive. Cherry Garden Villas on the right. Well, I got the PSM bush up. Empty lands here. Beautiful homes, beautiful gardens, well manicured lawns. visitors. But you also have townhouses, you know, gated communities up here too. Was a nice little detour we took. So this is Carmel Road now, where we're gonna drive. Go to Barbican. It's a little shortcut, not many people know of it. In the mornings when you have a lot of traffic, it's a good little shortcut. Especially if you're going up to like the university side also. Trees and flowers. Up Melwood Avenue on your left, to Melwood Avenue on your right. Upper Carmel Avenue on your left. A lot of sleeping policemen in the road. Carmel Avenue on your right. Upper Russell Heights. Upper Russell Heights. Oliver Crescent on your right. House Crescent on your right. That building there from a long time, it's such an eyesore. It started and it has not gone further than where it is now. Apartment for rent on your left. So we're going down into Barbican Square now. Those gardeners and those weed coming in this hot sun working. cable guys are there. Dennis Estates. Looking very nice and modern. Like the modern look. Barbican Road now, going on to Barbican Road. Oh, they built up a big building around here, so they have Shields and Shields flowers placed there, so down here, so it used to be like a little ghetto one time, you know, but they really, from they build the shopping centers and so, and they build the roads, they fix. Barbican Square. I already did this video of this area. I will reference it in this video. Wholesale. So you would keep in the right lane and then you turn right to go back down to Hope Road. Have a cafe, Jabu on your left, Barbican car wash on your left. This place name QHJA, I'm not sure what that is. Another fun town, a pharmacy down there, so on your right. And when you go down a little further, there is a KFC. Into the shopping centers or anything. I'll show you how we reach Liguanea from this side. There's a KC on your left. You take this is Jackson Road on your left. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. Boy. Anyway, I'll just continue. I like so go on. On your left, Barbican Views on your left, new apartments going up on your right. Some of them finished already. Salisbury Avenue on your right. So I'm not gonna do the full Barbican Road today. That's for another video when I'm coming from Papine side. So I'm gonna turn right and to go on to Liguanea Avenue. Avenue, and this will take you right back down to Sovereign Center. Remember, I did a little, I referenced the video, I just did a Sovereign Center video. I used to live up here, so you know, when I just came back from Canada. I didn't like my apartment, but it was a ground floor apartment and it wasn't grilled, and I didn't really feel safe. Paddington Terrace, both ways. Oops. I love love this area. I went to university up this side, so when I came straight from the country, so that's why I love this area. It's the first place I got to know in Kingston. For rent, apartments for rent, all of them have apartments for rent. Lots of apartments. Lots of apartments. So we're back to Sovereign Center here on your left. So spoil up my plan because I wanted to go in the other lane. So there'll be like a congestion up here today. I should have go around, take the right in and bypass this intersection. But I want to show you the other way to get back to I didn't show when I went to Sovereign Center the last time. Turn right, so I turn in left now, so you can see the other way. If you're in this area, you can exit this area, and that's Liguanea straight ahead, Sovereign Center on your left. Turning right onto Old Oak Road. Matilda's Corner Police Station on your right, and Campion College on your right. Yeah. St. Peter and Paul Prep School on your left. On your left, and there's a plant place on your right too, but you can't turn right there, so you have to be coming up the other side to turn right in there at 107. So you can take this left turn to go back to Liguanea, or if you want to go to University side to Manor Road and Wellington, is it Wellington Avenue? Yes, or Wellington Road, or around that side. I've done that video already. Remember to go back and watch my videos, guys. I went through and I linked them, so as you watch one, the other one, so at the end of each video you will see two boxes come up, and one box is usually contains a listing of videos. The other box will contain like a one video which is related, so you can choose either box, so you would stay on my page. Just keep watching. Beverly Hills Hotel on your left here. We're just passing on your right hand side the 4-H Club place, and I think we passed the Jamaica Constabulary Force headquarters, the Commissioner's office. Alright, we'll pass that. go back into New Kingston. So guys, remember to give my video a like, press that red arrow at the bottom of the screen to subscribe to my channel. You can give a thumbs up, please, a like, and a little comment to say anything, something nice and encouraging. And if you're watching on TV, can you please pick up your phone and subscribe to my channel, please? Appreciate it. Thank you. So we are on Old Rope Road. We're going to turn onto Mountain View, and we're going to Lorna's, one of my favorite lunch spots. They sell good breakfast too, but I'm not up this side at breakfast time. A lot of returning residents go there to buy lunch. That tells you how good it is at a good price. And you can get your yam and banana and all of that, sweet potato and stuff. And they got the fried chicken awards a couple times in Jamaica. See, Lorna is on the right. Oh, is this person turning right? Oh, enough parking on here today. Wonderful. Fried chicken, pasta, salad, veggie, plantain. I like rib and wing, and I got a leg or something else, not sure. Rice not look so shelly today, but it's okay. That's a lot of food. Still, only place I can go really and know I'll get food and don't know how to get rice. That's it. That's really nice. Nice. So thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye.